Okay guys, this time we are unboxing proclean spin mop set. Rotation, compact and lightweight. This is buy from Ace Hardware, only 100,000 rupiah. Rotating head, quick hands, easy to clean handle with locking system. Okay, this is from Ace Hardware. Oh, this is material, capacity 5 liter, refill, polyester. Ace Hardware. Okay, let's open this. Voila. Oh yes, the stick first. Stick. This is the engine. Empty. We have a 3 refill. This is the mop. We have 3 refill. Manual book. Proclean spin mop set. This is as a guarantee 14 days from the Ace Hardware if something happen. Okay, characteristic products, how to use, and many things. Okay, this is it. 300 degree maximum water levels in here. You fill the water, chuk. After that you put like this. Okay, and let's install this first open like this, second take it out. Okay, see everything okay, and this is okay too. Put exactly in here. Oh, wait a minute. Like that. Yeah, like that. Must be click like that. Okay, after click like that, let's reset for this. This is the first stuff, and this is the second stuff. And you put in here. Okay, tightening, and you can see here, and we put it in here like this. Okay, this is on and off. On, yeah. Okay, let's try. Oh, I turn it off, sorry. On. So after you will rinse well in here and put in here. Sorry, excuse me. Like that. Yeah, like that. How to use. This is it. Thank you for watching.